I readapt existing and new techniques to create ecological houses in Canada. The cement bamboo frame technology combines the South American building system with European engineering and Philippine traditions and environmental conditions. In the last 8 years, this system has been optimized to consider resilience, quality and cost as well as its adaptability to weather crisis. Composite bamboo shear walls, CBSW, are modern engineered vernacular improved shear walls that take the traditional Latin American wattle and daub known as barrique and engineer it, using modern materials and construction techniques. CBSWs consist of a frame made of timber or large diameter bamboo, upon which a matrix of cane, small diameter bamboo, flattened bamboo, bamboo laths, or expanded steel mesh is nailed. The walls are then finished with cement or lime render to form solid shear walls.